Hi Libra, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Seven of Wands, the Judgment card, and the Seven of Pentacles. Person B has the Nine of Cups, the World card, and the King of Swords. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have Six of Pentacles, which means that there could be some kind of sharing which is going on, or there is some kind of a compromise which is required from both the parties. Now what I see from the first row is there is a lot of stress that you are going through, and you realize that this stress is not good for you and for your person and this relationship, and this has kind of opened your third eye as well. If you look at this card, okay, it has opened your third eye and you realize that you need to go ahead and take care of things so that it doesn't stress you out and impacts the relationship also. Now you also understand that there's a lot of patience which is required to correct this situation. If there's something which is going wrong between you and your person, you understand that it has to be dealt patiently. You can't rush it, okay? Now person B here has the Nine of Cups with the World card here, okay? Nine of Cups means that this person loves you for sure, but is in this lazy energy where they don't want to do anything for this relationship right now. With the World card, there is some kind of a cycle that this person needs to end, either with maybe some other person, or they are stuck in something and they need to finish that. Once they finish that, they also need to go ahead and tell you what it is. With this King of Swords energy, this person has to tell you about something. Now the mutual feeling that both of you have is the Tower card, okay? The Tower energy, okay, is a major arcana, okay? So when the Tower hits, it means that this is the supreme power. Again, you can call it in different ways, okay? The supreme power, okay, when that hits, it means that the foundation of this relationship was not strong. There could have been lies, deceit, something that you could have done or your person could have done. So when you try to go ahead and build a relationship like this, that's when the Tower hits it, and it says that this is not going to work out. Both of you need to start all over again, and that too on a solid foundation. Now let's see what is the blockage in the relationship. Now that's the Star card, which is Aquarius energy. Now it could be that either you feel that this person is your wish fulfillment, or they feel that you are their wish fulfillment, but you're not able to get it. That's the blockage. Now the outcome of the relationship currently shows us Four of Pentacles, which is Maisa energy. So both of you are not willing to share your money, finances, time, love, affection, anything that you want to name it. You are in that Maisa energy right now. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the intention of this person for you this month. So the first card that I see is the Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Seven of Swords. With the Knight of Swords, this person wants to rush in and tell you about something, okay, and it could be with regards to a prior cycle that they are currently involved with, because there is some kind of a trickery, there's some kind of a deceit which is going on. They may have been involved with somebody else, or they may have been committed to somebody else, and that's the secret that they have to tell you about. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Shell Fossil. The crystal messages: are you ready to uncover memories of wisdom stored within your consciousness? Spiral inward to understand your dreams and visions, recognize the value of the past and use it as a stepping stone for the future. You have much wisdom inherent within you. Use it. Now the message here from Archangel Jophiel, you'll have to go ahead and put that in the, I'll put that in the description box so you can read it out from there. So you can definitely check that message, okay, and what it means for you this month. Now if you like the content of this particular video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.